Hello, this is Ryan Mahoney, Associate Advisor here at Cypress Asset Management. In this video, we will be walking through the various tabs and features inside of the client portal. If you have not yet accessed the portal, we encourage you to do so. Not only is it a great resource and planning tool, but it is also where you will find your quarterly reports. Now, to access the portal, you will need to have already established your account, username, and password. If you have not yet done this, please contact us so that we can provide you with instructions for the initial process. To reach the portal, you'll need to visit the following address: login.orionadvisor.com. That's login.orionadvisor.com. You might consider bookmarking this login page in your preferred web browser to save yourself some time when accessing the portal going forward. Upon logging into the portal, you will be met with the overview screen, which displays all of your accounts that are reported on by Cypress. In addition to viewing your assets by account, you can see them displayed by asset category, asset class, or management style by clicking the appropriate tabs. You can also view individual holdings within each asset category or class by simply clicking on the respective slice of the portfolio pie. Next, we have the Performance tab, which, like the Overview tab, falls under the Portfolio or Home header. Here, you can view a number of metrics related to the holdings in your various accounts. Simply click the appropriate grouping to view performance data in both numeric and graphical formats below. Default time periods for calculation include the current month, as well as 3- and 5-year periods, and lastly, since inception. Note that you can also specify your own time period here. You'll need to hit the refresh button once inputting the various dates. There is also an option to print the current screen. Next in line is the Holdings tab. This Holdings tab is a useful reference for viewing your allocations, that is, the specific percentage amounts that together comprise your entire portfolio. You can also view your individual cost basis, as well as your unrealized capital gains and losses within the Holdings tab. The final portfolio-related tool is the Activity tab, which shows a basic summary of all accounts for the current period. As mentioned at the start of this video, here inside the client portal is where you can find your quarterly statements. These live under the Documents tab. Simply click Documents, then Portfolio Statements. Click the specific quarterly statement that you'd like to view. The statement then automatically downloads to your desktop as a PDF file. The final feature of note is the Planning tab. From within this tab, you can access a simplified version of the same MoneyGuide Pro planning software that we use to regularly monitor and fine-tune your plan. Clicking on the Access Plan Details button in the top right corner of the screen under the Planning tab will take you to the client-facing MoneyGuide Pro dashboard. From here, you can access past reports from your annual MoneyGuide reviews by clicking the Report History button located towards the bottom left of the screen. You can also make use of the Play Zone tool if you are curious to see how hypothetical changes to your current plan's variables might affect the plan's probability of success. For example, you might want to see how an increase in your annual living expense in retirement or a lower retirement age might affect your plan's probability of success. The Play Zone scenario column to the left will adjust the percentage output based on the inputs you've selected. To return to the client portal, you will need to return to the appropriate window in your web browser. We hope that you found this video to be helpful as you familiarize yourself with the client portal. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us either by phone or email. Or you can even swing by the office. We would be happy to walk you through all of the various features so that you can get the most out of this powerful and convenient resource.